And then now, for those who really want to build business, we have something great that our moderator is going to present to you. We are, yes, yeah. So our moderator is going to introduce to you now the business side of this platform. And even if before now you were not thinking of it because of the objections you have against it, oh, like, how will I carry products around? I don't want to carry products around. Oh, I don't have money to even buy the products and go and show people. We have a perfect solution now. We have a what you call pick and drop, drop shipping, plug and play kind of system that makes it easy. All you have to do is click, 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 pick, drop, click, click, and things are happening. Because right now we have a platform, we have an online store, a website where you can register as an affiliate and begin to make money without so much effort. Like now, you can get people, you can share your link with people and they buy stuff and it gets into your code automatically. The moderator is a professional here, will explain, but let me just give a bit of background on this. We have a system now where you buy and get your PDs uploaded so that you can earn whatever accrues to you as a member. We also have a system that makes it easy for you to even show people these products. You don't have to spend your money. All you have to do is show them. Maybe on your WhatsApp chat, a whole lot of platforms where you can just show people. Once you show them, they can go online, click. You can share your link with your friends, family. They go online, they get whatever they want, and you don't have to deliver it. You don't have to do the payment. They pay for it, they pick it, and we deliver. The platform takes care of everything. So right now, I'm going to be handing over to the moderator to show us how the platform works for all of us athletes, for everybody, whether you are building business or you just want to use the products. This will work very well for you. Thank you. Over to you, Mike.
Okay, thank you very much, Mar. So very quickly, I am going to be sharing my screen. So ideally, this platform was designed and developed for different screen sizes in mind, okay? Meaning you could use it on your laptop, on your tablet, on your mobile phone. So most of us, okay, so the most devices we use today are mobile phones. So because of that, I am going to use my mobile phone to basically give this demonstration so that it's perfectly clear to every one of us, because mobile phones first, you know, as far as development is concerned. So very quickly, I believe that some of us or most of us will have gone through the website itself and checked out the functionalities and all of that. But the core of what I want to talk about really is the affiliate marketing part. So meaning that for every one of us who are here, we have a code in Long Reach. What you have to do is, first of all, go and create an account. And once you touch the 3 vertical bars up there, you have the menu icon that pops up. All you have to do is go to My Account. If you don't have one, there you'll be able to register for one. And if you already have one, then you can log in. So if you scroll, you would find where you can register by putting in your email address and then click on the registration button. And then you can now create a password afterwards and all that. But for this purpose of demonstration, I already created an account for myself and I'm affiliate. So I will just log in so you can see how the system works. So here are my credentials, and once you touch on login, it brings you to your own dashboard. Okay, it brings you to, someone says, can I increase my volume?
Yes,
okay.
Increase the volume. Yeah.
Okay, am I clear now? Is it better?
Can you go higher? Just make it as high as possible.
Okay, let me switch my talking device for a bit here. Just give me a moment. Okay.
No audio.
Can we all hear me
They
now?
are saying no. Okay, maybe now better. Yeah.
Okay, we can all hear me now, right? It's better.
Yes.
Okay, so once you get to login, this is what you get to find, your dashboard. And here you have a bunch of things here. All of the orders you have ever placed using the platform, you will find that under orders. Your addresses that you've saved, your payment methods, and then your account details, which you can modify as you go. But really quickly, if after you create an account and you get to this point, because I'm already registered as an affiliate, that's why it says affiliate. If not, what you will find there is register to be an affiliate or register to be approved as an affiliate, something along those lines. So once you touch on that, it will bring out a form where you get to fill to actually apply to become an affiliate. And once you complete the application, the system will automatically approve your registration within 24 hours. Once that's done, you will have, you will receive an email notification letting you know that you are now an affiliate and that you can now log in to transact or do whatever it is you want to do. Okay, sometimes some of these messages will come in to your spam. So if you don't find it in your inbox, check your spam, okay, or your junk, whatever the case might be, depending on the platform you're making use of. Okay, so right now I'm just going to touch on the affiliate, which is the
Volume, please. Hello, we can't hear anymore.
all of that information at once. I don't know if you can all see the reports page. Okay, so that is what the reports page look like. Now, the next tab there is the profile. So under profile is where you get to customize what you want your affiliates credentials to be like, okay? So once you scroll down a little bit, you have, so there is my affiliate identifier. That's my name, Michael. Initially, when you register and create your own account, what you have there are numbers. I think I was number 10 or number 5 or something. But because of the pencil icon there shows you that you can edit it and then put in your name to make it more personalized to you, okay? Now, below is where you see your referral URL. Now, if I copy this link and give to someone, and then they touch on that link and it brings them to the platform, okay? It would register as I have had a visitor use my link to access the platform. Now, in this situation, when that person makes a purchase, right, the PV automatically accrues to me if the person is not a registered user, okay?
So this is one way you can also make sales without even raising a finger. So you send them your affiliate link, they go to the website to make whatever purchase they want to make, and all the PVs for all the products they purchase automatically comes to you, okay, without any stress, without any doing anything. All you have to do is tell them they're interested, you send them the link, they go there, they see for themselves, they buy, okay? And then they can also decide to register and become language partners through the same link, okay? So underneath is where you can basically customize your own, create your own language, your own affiliate link. For example, if you want to create a link that will take people to a particular product, all you have to do is visit that product page, look at it, anything after kotta.care and that slash, you copy it and paste it here and generate a new link. And then when you send someone that link, it will automatically bring them to that specific product for them to buy, as the case may be, okay? So that's that. But the main thing here, which Mrs. Burge has talked about concerning plug and play, is you find that under campaigns. So when you touch on campaigns, and then it opens up and then you scroll down, we have this. Now, this is just the beginning, okay? Touch on that, you will see a bunch of instructions and messages that we have created for you on how to use this. So what this does is to give you access to branding images, product designs, promo designs, videos, whatever promotional materials we have created to showcase any product or any promo. You automatically have access to them. All you have to do is copy, paste, and then forward them to your contacts or your clients or whoever it is, as the case may be. So on the last line there, you have the click this link or copy and paste in your browser to gain access. Okay, so all I have to do is select this link, this Google Drive link. I can either copy it, or if you use a phone like mine that is smart, if you touch on this, you'll see a web search. But let's just go through the usual copy, right? And then once I open up a new tab in my browser and paste the link, okay, it would automatically bring me to a Google Drive platform. So let me just quickly turn my screen so everything can be properly clear. Okay, so here we have 4 folders currently, and as we go on, there will be more. So the first folder that says logo and banners. Now, what this does, what is in here is all of our brand identity. Okay, so the logos, designs for our address, that's the physical store itself. You have the logo assets in different forms that you can use, you know, to create your own designs to suit your audience. If that's what you want to do, it's also fine. You have links, you have the phone number for the Kotta business, and then a thank you card that you can send to your clients, you know, after you have concluded a transaction that you are aware of, what the case may be. So all of these things very easy to use. All you have to do is touch on the one you want. It opens up, and then up there you will see the download button. You can download this. Once you touch on download, it downloads and then it saves on your phone and you can have access to it. So right here, I'm going to open this, and this is on my phone, okay? So that's how this works. So next, we have the ongoing promos. So when we have any ongoing promo, that design or whatever it is, whether it's a picture or a video, all of that assets will be in here. So right now, there's nothing. So that's why it's empty. So you can also have access to past promotions, designs, and all that. So if, for example, you want to create your own designs for whatever product, You can come here to get inspiration or pick on one of these and then find a way to modify them to suit your own needs. Okay. So the same thing, you can touch on them and download them as you need. Okay. Next are the product designs. So for the product designs, we have some products that we have designed beautifully here to catch anyone's attention. From the roll-ons to the mouthwash to the hand wash to the coffee, toothpaste, cordyceps, calcium, and all of that. So we have all of these products that have been properly designed to look good. So you can pick on any of them, put up on your social media, put them on your WhatsApp status updates. If you're on TikTok, use them, whatever you want to do. You can do a video and feature these designs at the end of your video or at the beginning, whatever it is you want to do. So all you have to do is come in here, copy what you need, or download it into your phone and send to someone, okay? And if you follow the Instagram page there or the Facebook page of Kotta, you have all of these products that have been posted with vivid descriptions, showing you, talking about how they work and the benefits they accrued. Okay, so so that's that concerning the affiliate system. So quickly, let me just go back to the accounts page. So that's what you have here. Okay. So subsequently, when we have, we're going to have more things included here. So here you have start here. So this is the beginning for you. We're going to have other templates for you to make use of: email templates, text messaging templates, WhatsApp messaging templates that will create here for you. All you have to do is copy, paste, and then modify the information to suit what you need to do with it and send it. So we'll have more things here as we go by. So very quickly, let me just show you what I mean. If you follow the Facebook page, you can easily and quickly copy, paste whatever descriptions that we have concocted for all of the products we've pasted, we've uploaded on social media so far. Even the promos as well, we have vivid descriptions. So take, for example, we have this one, which is the laundry travel size toiletries. So we have all of these descriptions. While you're posting them on your own social media, even with the hashtags, all you have to do is copy, copy text. You have the pictures downloaded already. You can even get the pictures here from Facebook, save them to your phone. While you're posting them, use the same captions as we use or modify them as need be. So for some of them, we have lengthy descriptions. You can use all of it or just take what you need, as the case may be. So basically, what we have done for you is create a plug and play system that will be very easy for you to take advantage of, either on your phone, even while you're in the office, while you're in bed, whatever it is you're doing. Okay. So basically, that's that concerning affiliate platform. It's very important that you get to create your accounts and begin to talk to people to check this out for themselves, and also probably give you feedback that you can give to us to make improvements. So I think basically that's all on how to use it. So basically, try it out yourself. And if you have any challenges, you can either reach me or Mrs. Birch, as the case may be.